Hey everyone, it's Sarah at Repeat Crafter Me, and I am here to show you all the projects I've made with these Crochet Cartoon Eyes. It's a super simple pattern, free. You can find a YouTube tutorial that I made with these, and then also the pattern, of course, is free on repeatcrafterme.com, as well as the whole gang here. These are all free patterns. So let's just go over what I've made with these Crochet Cartoon Eyes just to give you guys some ideas. So let's start here. Let's move some of these guys over with these adorable cat hats. So I'm wearing the purple one. We've got a little orange one. We have this little black one in a smaller size. So as you can see, I've used different colors for the eyes on each of these. It works really well. These are kind of Halloween inspired ones, sizes newborn to adult. So make one for everyone in the family, all of your friends, whoever wants one, and the eyes just work perfectly. Lots of different color combo ideas. Next, we have our jellyfish. I love this color. This is Red Heart Super Saver in Minty, and it just came out so well. The eyes are adorable. These are a great alternative to using safety eyes because you really shouldn't be using safety eyes on projects that are for kids under 3. So this is a great alternative, and it just really brings these little critters and animals and everything, all your projects to life. So another good one. Again, free pattern on repeatcrafterme.com. We also have our sea turtle, another easy project. So this one actually features the smaller size eyes. So the original pattern, these are about 2 inches, but this one is about like 1 inch. It's basically the same, but has a different stitch count. So again, really easy to make. You can do it in different colors. Great for your smaller amigurumi projects. Free pattern available for this guy. And then we have Ollie the Owl, definitely a fan favorite. I originally made this in Bernat blanket yarn, but unfortunately the Bernat blanket Ogos have been discontinued. So here's a couple options. You can absolutely still crochet Ollie the Owl in Bernat blanket yarn. You will just have to buy the skeins of it instead of the Ogo format. This, though, is actually using 2 strands of Red Heart Super Saver yarn, and this is the smaller one, is just a single strand of Red Heart Super Saver yarn. So you have options. You could make a mini one or the normal size Ollie the Owl, and of course we have our cartoon eyes. So this again is a great alternative to using those safety eyes, which I had featured in the original pattern. So these are the smaller eyes, these are the bigger eyes. Worked out perfectly for both of them. Again, I have all the patterns. I will link them below, and you can find them on repeatcrafterme.com.